Ooh. Wow, look at this shine. Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're gonna try and clean this very dirty derailleur. Even by holding it, my hands are already getting dirty. So that should be fun. This is an 8-speed Altus from Shimano. And I don't know what it has been through, but it is covered with grease. Wow. And potentially some pet hair. Interesting. Okay, so how we're gonna try to do that is basically we're gonna need a lot of paper towels. I'm gonna be using some WD-40. Gonna use some alcohol to clean everything. Toothbrush and a few tools just to disassemble this. I'm probably gonna use this flathead to clean the gears. First order of business is remove this dirty jockey wheels. Oh god. 3mm Allen key. I'm gonna keep the parts organized on another paper towel. Oh my goodness. What the hell is going on here? Wow. That is crazy. So let's clean our tool a little bit. And we're gonna start by wiping down the main part of the derailleur, and we're gonna go with the flat bit and slowly remove all the dirt and grease and whatever this is from the derailleur. You might be asking yourself, why the hell am I cleaning this? Actually, I need this for a project. I'm building a bike for a friend of mine, and this is gonna be a 8-speed commuter, and this is an 8-speed derailleur. So I think that's pretty good so far. We got most of the dirt out of the derailleur. What I usually do is have a metal tray like this, where I'm gonna put the derailleur and I'm gonna spray it with WD-40, let it soak for a little bit, and then hose it down with water. But let's clean the other parts with the screwdriver, and we're gonna spray them all. And you're gonna see what difference WD-40 makes. Okay, moving down to the jockey wheels. Oh god, how do you start? Let's see. Ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna directly put this in the bin. Okay, let's do the same on the other side. Ooh. This is dirty. One of the dirtiest jobs I have done. Okay, at least the jockey wheel is looking much better. Okay, moving to the bigger jockey wheel. Dirt is falling off everywhere, so you can see this one is in pretty much the same condition. Already looking much better, so let's wipe it down a little bit with this towel now, just to remove as much dirt as possible. Okay, next step will be go out, spray this with WD-40, use the brush everywhere and then use the garden hose to wash them down. And I'm gonna come back and show you how they look.
A few moments later.
And we're back. So you can see now that I can actually almost hold this thing. Now comes the next step, which will be using our alcohol. So I have this in a spray bottle. We're gonna spray the whole part with alcohol. And clean the last bit of dirt from it. Oh look, now you can see actually the Shimano logo. Almost good as new. Here I can see there is a bit of dirt left, so I'm gonna use this mower screwdriver and just get this out. We don't want any of these to go into our new chain. What we did so far is basically first we degreased everything with WD-40, then we cleaned it with this alcohol. Of course we could have used isopropyl alcohol, but this is really a derailleur. It's gonna get a lot of abuse, and it's already got a lot of abuse, and just simple cleaning spirit will do just fine for this application. And the final part will be assembling everything together and lubing it. So I have some bearing greases I'm gonna use on these two metal beds that go into the jockey wheels. And also I'm gonna use all-weather chain spray for all these pivot points into the derailleur and also the spring. Simple, let's get on with it. We're almost ready. Now, with my all-weather chain spray, I like using spray for this because it really gets the loop inside the pivot points. So I'm just gonna spray a bit here, a bit on this side, a bit here, and a bit on the spring that you can see right over there. And now let's walk it through. And that's it. Wow. Compared to where we started, I think this looks awesome. Now I'm just gonna again spray a bit of alcohol and just wipe everything down. And this is the final result. Wow, look at this shine. This derailleur actually came out better than expected, and we're definitely gonna be using it on our next project. I hope that in this video though, I was able to show you a few simple tricks like using WD-40 and some simple alcohol that you probably have laying around in your home, that you can definitely clean these old greasy components and not make them look like new, but at least in a very usable condition. So we're gonna be using this on next project. We're gonna be building a bike for a friend of mine. I'm excited, so cannot wait starting working on that. Until then though, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!